I am going to be walking you through how to place trade using MetaTrader 5 mobile version. As a beginner, going through your mobile phone to place trade might be a bit difficult, though it is very easy. If you are used to the desktop version, then it won't take you much to understand the mobile version. So, to start with your mobile phone now, go to Play Store and download MetaTrader 5. After you have downloaded it, it will install in your phone, and then open MetaTrader 5 and follow as we walk through this lesson or training. Fill in the expected forms that you are presented with: your name, the password, the leverage, the lots, the leverage, and other things that you may be required to fill and submit to them. And then open the platform. There is also MetaTrader 4, but we'll be making use of MetaTrader 5. If you are used to MetaTrader 4, it may be a little bit difficult for you to migrate. That was what I experienced in my own time. It took me time to migrate to MetaTrader 5, and once I did, I saw that MetaTrader 5 is preferable to me. So now, this is a Euro USD 4-hour chart, and for you to note this, just tap by the top left-hand corner of the screen. You are going to see Euro USD hour 4. So that is it. There you see the time frame. If you want to change the time frame, just tap on the screen by the left. You can change to hour. Just click. If you click hour, 1 hour, that is it. You see it. If you click 4 hours, you see it. 15 minutes. That is it. So that is how to navigate your time frame in this mobile version. You can also turn it the other way. That is a ratio 9:16, but this is 16:9. So now let us assume that you want to place a trade. So by the top right hand corner, okay, before we go to placing a trade, let us look at the settings. So when you tap on the screen, always learn to tap on the screen, because when you tap on the screen by the right hand side, there are menus that you can engage to do whatever you want to do. By the left hand side, you have the time frame, as you can see on my own screen. So by the right hand side, we can see the settings. That menu or that icon that looks like gear. So let me click it. That is the third from the top. 1, 2, 3. We click it. So you'll be brought here, and then you see the setting. Line type. Here it is candlestick. If you tap it, you are going to see whether you want to use hiking ashing. Sorry, you want to use bar chart. You want to use candlestick, line chart, and hiking ashing. Whatever you want to use, that's whatever line type you want to use, you select it. So I use candlestick, so I prefer that. So if you use bar chart, there it is, you use it. Let me close this. Then we have open OHLC. And if you read it, take time to go through it, read what is written, then you will know what it is used for. OHLC, and it reads on chart display of open, high, low, and close prices for the last candlestick, or for the one on which crosshair is hovered. So that is it. You tap it. When you tap it, here it was selected before and that unselected it. So I will select it. And then you can go back and see, okay, let me unselect it. Go back on the screen. You can see that there is nothing like open OHLC, open, high, low, close. So let me check it now or select it. I go to the settings and then I select it. So now it is selected. Let me go back. So you now see by the left hand side, top left hand side, you now see open, high, low, close. You see that there is nothing like OHLC written here. So you should know that the order of describing candlestick characteristics is always OHLC. That should be in your memory. Open, high, low, close. So the first price there is open. So if I select any candlestick, so I'm going to get the open, high, low, close of that candlestick by the left hand corners of the phone. That is the top left hand corner. So if I want to remove this crosshair that was selected, you see the cross on the screen. I'll just tap the cross. The cross is by the top right hand corner. So I just click it again and then the crosshair disappears. So when I tap the screen again, I now see all this by the right hand side. I now see these icons. Assuming that you don't even know anything about the icons, you have not gone through this training, just tap and see what it's going to give you. If I tap the very first one, okay, we are on setting. Let us finish settings first. That's the third one from the top. I tap setting. So now we see show data window. Your data window is very, very crucial because it displays the characteristics of not only the candlesticks, but also all the indicators on your chart as regards the candlestick you place it on. This is what I'm saying. It is selected now. So let us go. If I come to the main chart and then I select, pick the crosshair, and you can see this box on the crosshair. That is your data window. So any candlestick you move your crosshair on, it is going to tell you the characteristics of the candlestick, the volume, the moving average value. That is moving average 240 on my screen now. And then I have some other indicators that I have collapsed on this chart. You cannot see them because I collapsed them. So the ADX is there, and other indicators. So let me remove the crosshair again. Just go to the cross on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you tap that cross and then the crosshair disappears. Tap your screen again and then you see all these icons. So anytime you tap your screen, you are going to see the icons, and then just click on any of the icons. In case you don't even understand or you don't know what it stands for, just click on it until you become used to it. By the time you are used to it, you are going to know what exactly you want to do, and the icon that you need to do that. So